Today we're working on a Ford F-350 with the V10 Triton. Customer called in and said that this would not run and drive and had it towed. I slapped in a new battery and was able to get it started very poorly. I hooked up a smoke machine to the intake and quickly found that underneath the throttle body there is a vacuum hose, and that was completely disconnected. So I reconnected it in front of the customer because we were doing this all outside, and quickly got the truck running very fine. I ended up taking off the throttle body and cleaning the throttle body and putting a hose clamp over that vacuum hose. And here's the smoke machine I ended up using to find the leak. Cleaned up the engine bay a little bit, just a nice thing.